Welcome to episode number 4 of Relic Helmets Cleaning and Preservation. In this episode, we're going to use rust remover. So let's get started. The helmet we are going to use to put the material rust remover on. Apparently rust remover will destroy everything. So we picked a helmet which is pretty much done and does not have any much paint left on it, so we will not be destroying a good condition helmet. First, again, some rough cleaning of the helmet. Italian helmet, not a German one. This one we're gonna clean with the rust remover. We'll see what that will turn out. If it will turn out totally black without any paint, hopefully not, because when I'm looking at the helmet, there is actually a chance there will be some original paint on it. So we're gonna keep a good eye on the helmet when we put it in the solution. So for now, put it in the water and let it soak, and after that we put it in the rust remover solution.
Yeah.
Washing is never ending. So yeah, after water cleaning, it does look to have a lot of original paint on the helmet. This one is not green. This one looks to be a bit more gray. The rust remover. We're going to use it on this one. It says it restores steel, iron, tools and components. I'm pretty sure there are multiple brands of this type. It's biodegradable. All the materials we have here are biodegradable, so the mixture for this, yeah, with the amount we need, it's actually not enough. Same story with the previous one. I can get 5 liters of mixed water out of this small bottle, and it's also a pretty expensive bottle. I think I paid 15-20 euros with it for it, but it's a solution and we're gonna try it to see what the results are. So yeah, the solution would be slightly light, but we'll just leave it in longer so it has some more time to adjust. Yeah, sometimes you have to be a little bit inventive in what you use. And since I like screwing. So alright, this one is ready too. And now wait. Good morning, everybody. The solution we used for this was not as strong as it was said on the box, but again, the cost of material was pretty high. For now, we do not see a big difference on the helmet, but that can still change as soon as we're gonna wash it. Okay. Well, the result with rust remover. A lot of the paint came out. It's just still intact. So that's a positive thing. It really only attacked the rust. And it's somewhat hard for me to find big chunks of rust. So I guess this worked even with the light solution. Yeah, it worked. I cannot say it any different. Check. So we're gonna dry it. So the result of the helmet after the drying. A lot of paint visible on this helmet. And yeah. Conclusion on the rust remover that we used, even though it was a lighter solution, it worked. But yeah, I think I paid 10 or 15 euros for just this one, and it's all empty, so cost effectiveness is not that good compared with other materials that we use so far, but it works. So check. We'll put it on the shelf and get it ready for preservation. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Relic Helmets Cleaning and Preservation with the rust remover. Next episode we're going to use hydrochloric acid. Curious how that works? Stay tuned and watch the next episode.